Hey! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy M52 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock on this device. Firstly, open Settings and scroll down. Now choose Biometrics and Security, tap on Face Recognition and enter your current location method. Over here you need to read this disclaimer, and when you're ready, choose Continue. Now answer this question: do you wear glasses? Tap on one of the answers, I will go with no, and when you're done, choose Continue. Remember to be still. Now select Done, and when I turn off my screen, then turn it back on, I can see that Face Unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!